Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. We have about 4 minutes to the open here. Just getting settled in. I've been at the desk for about half an hour now. I actually have been taking some pre-market trades on FWBI. It has been um, quite bullish, which has been nice. And we're up already 2.9K on the day. So we have quite the cushion going into the open. We'll see how it plays out. So with about 3 minutes left, I'm watching FWBI as well as some other ones on watch are possibly JTAI. It's a little bit lower on the list, and it doesn't have that good of a chart. It's kind of sold off these last couple of days, and then now it's doing like a bounce. So not as good of a chart. So I'll mainly be watching FWBI. And then there's CING, also holding view up. As long as it holds view up, this one also looks decent. Michael, my average share size on FWBI was about 1,000 to 2,000 shares. I caught some pretty big losses as well. So I had a couple higher $100 losses, like 700, 800. But I also had a really nice like $2,000 win from 11 to 12 on that squeeze. When it did its curl right here on the 5 minute, I caught this dip down and I got a nice profit on that trade, which made up for a lot of the smaller paper cuts on the pullback. So we'll see if it trades the same way during the open, because sometimes it trades completely different pre-market, these stocks. Probably not. Probably not going to use 3K shot size at the open. This one definitely has a bit of a spread to it. It's 13. It's at least a 15-cent spread at most times, at least pre-market. Um, I'll probably stick with 1,000 shares just until I can kind of feel how it's moving during the market hours. If it's moving the same way it was pre-market, then maybe I'll size up. It all depends. And then in terms of other stocks, I really don't see much else. Sing, and then JZXN, possibly. I'll have JZXN on a side chart if it wants to curl back up towards 1. But it's not really a main watch. Morning, Rick. Yeah, the spread was kind of insane on it. It still is. You definitely need to be buying on the pullback candles. Do you have any chance of getting a profit on it? Alright, watching here at the open. 1430 is the halt up. $14.30 halt up. Is it gonna hold? There was a lot of lag on my order to get in. We'll see here. 95 halt up. Getting back profit here already. Watching 14.95. Hit 1450. Can we hold this level? 14. Sellers at 1420. Sellers at 14. Can I get back above 14 here? Candle's going red. Yes, already giving back quite a bit. Okay. It's not what we want to see at the open. Watching 30 break on Sing. There's 40, 50, 60, 83 halt up. $75 high day there. $97 high halt up. There's 78. Watching 80, 510 is halt up. There's 5. Watch 510. At 65. So made back what we lost on 525 halt up. Reversal. That sucks. I see this going lower. 440 maybe. FWBI is a 10-minute long halt. Watching Sing 385. Yeah, so the open has not gone good for me today. Getting chopped out of trades and then selling as it's about to go. Not good. Hmm. Apparently can't trade ROI. It's on ThinkorSwim's ban list or something. Oh well. Looks like a good one. FWBI resumption is gonna be in 30 seconds. Showing 11:25. Yeah, Sergey, I have to call it. Went from plus 3K to minus 3K. And one thing that really sucks is I can't trade ROI. This is my this is what this is the type of stock that made me profitable from the beginning. Is penny stock that's just going straight up. Man, I could have made so much on this, but it's just like not tradable at ThinkorSwim for some reason. From 24 to 35? You mean on 40,000 shares? Like seriously? Probably closer to like 60,000 shares. I mean, it's a 30-cent stock. Yeah, this also frustrated me. They're just not being able to trade ROI. FWBI has been weak since the open. Um, all the good trading was pre-market, so I'll take that as an indicator later on that if I am trading something pre-market and I'm up good on it, it's probably best to ease off at the open, because it tends to be weaker at the open if it's strong pre-market. Sorry, I just took a $300 scalp. But yeah, FWBI has been super weak. Well, only setup on it now is if it were to halt up after this halt down. Like if we got a strong candle here through the rig of 10. $10.54 is halt up. Taking it off. I'm still breaking rules by continuing to trade. It's just ridiculous. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Made back 400. Alright. Tomorrow's another day. It's still a short week, so there's only 2 days left, even though we've only traded 2 days. Next week is also short because of New Year's. I always hate the last 2 weeks of the year. Having back-to-back 4-day weeks is always terrible. It's like if last week's momentum came earlier in the year, it would have lasted for 2 or 3 weeks. But because it happened the week before Christmas, now it's gonna get fizzled out, and it's just gonna be going into January week again. No. The momentum from last week is just so choppy this week. And I was up up 3,000 pre-market, and I just blew it away. Insane. Closing DOS. Absolutely not funny. Well done for calling it. I did not do a good job on calling it. I should have Called it way, way earlier. Way earlier. I mean, I think I was emotionally compromised from the second I went red on FWBI. That was really early in the day. And then Sing, being down 2 grand on Sing is insane because I was up, I don't know, like 1,000 something on it as well. Anyway. This is why we have disclaimers here. Day trading is risky. My results are not typical, although the typical result is what happened today. And yeah. Alright. Take care, guys. I'll be back tomorrow.